how to enable or disable always on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the crown button. This will take you back to the clock face. Then press on it again to go into the app screen. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings app, we scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Then we scroll down and tap on always on. At the top here, tap on the always on toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn on always on, more options will become available for you to select. And that's it. After that, you can press on the crown button to return back to your clock face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.